Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpacked Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing this Kmart professional gaming microphone. This is a budget microphone that is sold by Kmart Stores in Australia, and I thought it would be worth giving it a go to see if it's actually any good for the price. So let's get straight into it. So this particular microphone is sold for $40 Australian in Australian Kmart stores, and it can fluctuate between in stock and out of stock quite a bit, but it often does come into stores periodically. And I thought it was interesting because this particular microphone comes with the stand microphone pop filter and the little microphone holder all in one, and quite often you can be paying $40 or $50 just for the stand alone. And from what I've heard, it actually is quite a good stand for the price. So it'll be worth giving this a go. And just before we unbox it, I'm going to be doing this series in a two-part video series here. So this first video is going to be about unboxing it and seeing what you get in the box. And then next week's video will be all about the sound quality to see how it sounds and whether it is worth it. So let's get into today's unboxing to start off. So I'll turn it around so we can unbox it here. So we just pull down on this little tab here and open up the box like that. Oh, and then it opens like this. So let's take a look. So this package here has our pop filter in it. And this helps to avoid any of those unnecessary noises from like little popping sounds that you can hear from certain sounds when you're speaking. So that's quite a nice little pop filter, and it would attach onto your stand like that. So we've got a little arm there that can move. We'll put that to the side for now. We've also got a little instruction manual here. She talks about what you get in the box here, and then some setup instructions and all that sort of stuff. We've got a little cover for the microphone itself. We'll see how that fits in a moment. We've got a USB-A to USB-B cable to connect it to your computer, which is quite handy that they give that. And it's actually quite a long one as well, which is nice if you're in an environment which needs that. We've also got the little holder for the microphone here, so we'll pull that out. As you can see, it's actually pretty sure this is metal here, which is quite nice. And yeah, so that holds the microphone. We'll see how that goes in a moment as well. We've got this little package here which clamps the microphone to the microphone stand to your desk. So you can undo that and then put your desk in there and then tighten it back up so it holds nicely like so. We've got, let me just pull this out here. We've got the microphone stand. It's a little bit hard to fit on camera. If we pull that off here, you can see this is the stand itself, and we can open it up, and that's where you can attach the microphone together. I definitely suggest reading the instruction manual about how to do this because it could be a little bit complicated. As I said, it's just there's some instructions on how to put it together in there. And then finally, we've got the microphone itself. So let's just take this out of its little plastic wrapping here. And there we go. So there it is. We've got a nice little, we'll just move this box out of the way for now. We've got the stand here. So it's quite a nice microphone. It's got like a shiny chrome top on it. And it's got like a matte part down here. And then on the bottom, you've got that little USB port to plug it in to your computer with that included USB cable that they provided. Now let's see how a few of these accessories work. So in here we can put the little microphone itself, and that fits quite nicely into that little stand there, which would then connect to the microphone stand itself, which is quite nice. And then as well as that, we can just remove this off for now. It's a nice, it's a little snug fit in there, which is interesting. All right, so then once that comes off, we can also have a look at the little microphone cover that they included. So we can just put that over the microphone. All right, so it's also a little bit of a snug fit there. But that fits over it like that quite nicely, and it actually looks quite smart. So I'll take that off now, and that's about it for the unboxing. You can actually unscrew the microphone here and see the insides of it. This is actually a little metal construction here, which is quite nice. No plastic, but yeah, there's the inside of the microphone, which is quite interesting to see, just the componentry that makes it up. Now, this is apparently a condenser microphone, but we'll be able to see how it all works when I do my testing video for it. So yeah, this was just the little unboxing experience for the microphone itself, and I'm quite pleased with how it looks for now, and I'm hoping it has some good sound quality for the price, especially just for 40 Australian dollars. That's a bargain. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video to see how it sounds. It'll come out in about a week's time, or it might be already out by the time you're watching this. But yeah, definitely stay tuned to that to see if it's worth checking out and to see the sound itself. So yeah, thanks for watching this video on Unpacked Technologies. Let me know in the comments below if you've decided to pick one of these up and how your experience is with it and whether it's any good for you. Hopefully this was helpful in giving you an idea what the unboxing process is like and what's included with this $40 microphone. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.